was important to keep the house looking somewhat untouched from the street. It's an old home, over 100 years old. There's no sense in creating a big shiny diamond out the front of the street. It would look out of place. So upon entering through the front door, you see the architecture that we've created beyond. It's framed by a large sheet of glass that has a water feature, a pond just at the end of it. So the movement of the water, the light, the architecture, those elements bring you in and draw you through the building to want to know what's happening beyond. There are two main forms that the building is made up of. One is on the back of the site that has a roof pitch that faces north to catch that northern sun, and the other one is on the western side of the site, again pitching up to catch the afternoon and the western sun. As the light moves around and reflects off the water, reflects through the screens, it brings the space to life. You can access the garden by stepping across the water over a large stone. The house can be viewed from the courtyard back. It's quite a nice experience because you see the kitchen, which is almost an artwork. It's very precise, but it also picks up on some of the materials that are happening outside as well, and vice versa. There's a real connection between the two. We've used concrete with a black oxide in it to create permanence and weight. This contrasts really nicely against the calmness and the lightness of the rest of the house. The connection is really critical between the old and new. I think that's a really key part of the design here. There's blurred lines between what is architecture and your experience of it, and it sort of blurs into your day-to-day. Everything's been carefully considered in order to create this ethereal space that sort of inhabits somewhere between dark and light, the heaviness and lightness that happen throughout this house in order to awaken the senses.